This is the left hand wall of the hunting room using Elfa Garage Plus 300mm deep shelves. We have a doorway here which is not shown on this software, and we have the windows which are now covered here, and this has been relayed to Mohammed. We have the mounting track here, that is the load bearing part, and I will be screwing into the timber above the windows. It's important that the glass is mapped out for me before it's covered. These components will be cut to size, so we're not interfering with any skirting board or the floor. The exact height of this will be set on the day. This software is not as sophisticated as the software we were using previously.